Most people believe that learning one AI tool is enough to start making money. That's the first mistake almost everyone makes. People don't pay for AI, they pay for results. Learn a skill that saves time, creates value, or solves a problem. Before making money with AI, you need one valuable skill. Don't chase every tool. Master one skill that solves a real problem. Your first $100 with AI will not come from magic. It comes from learning, practicing, showing your work, and helping real people. Before asking someone to pay you, first prove your skill. Create samples, improve your quality, and build confidence. Clients don't buy promises, they buy proof. A simple portfolio can show what you are capable of creating. Your first client is not found by luck. Find people who need your skill, show your work, and offer a solution that saves them time. Your first $100 with AI is not about getting rich overnight. It is about learning a real skill, creating value, and improving every day.